This is one of my favorite channels, bold and graceful. She doesn't put a lot of posts up because the posts she does take a lot of time to put together. I just wanted to share her with you. She's one of my awesome friends I've been following almost from the beginning of her channel. And her channel just keeps getting better and better. Now she's into doing Mackenzie Child's projects and DIY projects, and I'm going to show you some of the beautiful projects she's done. So if you're interested in watching how somebody can turn just an everyday secondhand piece of furniture into a piece of art, this is a channel you need to go check out. It doesn't mean that you have to be as crazy about Mackenzie Child as the two of us are, but it'll show you that you can decorate your home with such great sense of style on a budget, a real budget. You'd be surprised how little she pays for some of the secondhand furniture. Now she does try to find some good quality secondhand furniture, so it isn't a piece of you-know-what. But oh my gosh, can she make it look beautiful when she's done. Let's go check out some of her projects. Look at that mirror in the background. Isn't it beautiful? Didn't she do a beautiful job? You need to watch her videos. She will show you what it looked like when she got it, how much usually she spends for it, and shows you what it looks like when she's done. A great, great channel full of inspiration. Here's another one of her beautiful mirrors that she has finished off, and another one of her little tables. Oh my, I love them so. Come on now, get over there and check out my awesome friend from the Bold and Graceful. She does an awesome job with everything she does, and she's a lover of Mackenzie Childs if you are too. Now here's a little lamp that she found. It's a nice lamp, nothing wrong with it, but wait until she gets done with it. You won't even believe it's the same lamp. This is the one you need to go check out if you like to check out videos on how to repurpose furniture, lamps, and doing a great job. Now you don't have to do Mackenzie Childs to love this channel, because she's just full of inspiration for any kind of project you might want to do for repurposing something you may already have found at a flea market, a garage sale, or maybe even something you already own that looks sort of dingy and you really aren't happy with it. Go check her out. I love her. And she's so sweet and so kind. And she's a great friend. Go check her out. Now here's another one of my awesome friends I've been following for a couple of years. She does great DIY projects. Beautiful wreath. I can't believe all the wreaths she has put together over the years. And I don't know how she comes up with so many different creative ideas. They're always beautiful. She is such a creative person, so sweet, so kind. She's a pretty big channel now, and you know, she still comes over and checks out mine. So I would say she's a really good friend to be this big and still thinking of little tadpoles like me. And this is a good thing about channels. You start watching channels when they're small, and you keep building relationships. So when a channel takes off like hers, she still remembers you. And she's an awesome channel. So go check her out if you like DIY projects and wreaths. Now let's go check out what some of them look like. This video she put up had 40 different wreaths to choose from. If you can't find something with 40 different kinds that you might like to try to do, I don't know what to say. But she does a lot more than wreaths. She does centerpieces, all kinds of DIY projects. So make sure you go check out what she does to let her inspire you like she inspires me. Look at all the projects she's already done for Valentine's this year. She's done centerpieces, wreaths, and all kinds of great ideas. And of course, she does shopping hauls. Oh, we all love shopping hauls. She's going to show the great deals she got at Joann's and what she's going to do with them and what she's going to make. And look at this. She saved over $700. Oh my gosh. We need to run over and check that doggone video out and see what she bought and all the money she saved. And as you can tell, she always has a big smile on her face. She is so organized. She shows you everything she's doing from start to finish. She had over 2,000 views on this one video. Now that means she's doing something right. She is really a great creator, full of love, support, and best of all, inspiration for you YouTubers that are new to YouTube and you don't know what to put up on your channel and not having to spend a ton of money. I think maybe she might be a place you might want to go over and get some inspiration, some tips and ideas on how to put a video together. Go check her out. She's an awesome creator. I know you're going to love her. And another one of my great friends is at Penny's Place. Oh my gosh, another great channel. She does all kinds of inspirational videos also. She does vignettes, she does tablescapes, she does decluttering, she does inspirational videos, she gives all kinds of hints on how to do YouTube better quality videos. I could go on for a very long time telling you all the wonderful things that she does on her channel. We've been friends for quite some time, and another great thing about Penny, she's a very good friend. So if you're following her videos, leaving her comments, for she knows you've been around, and if she likes your content, there's a pretty good chance she's going to come back and give love and support to you. That's how you build a channel. You need to go start looking for other creators trying to grow their channels, but you need to also find something that you enjoy watching. Because to build a channel, you have to watch their videos. You have to leave comments, and you need to watch more than 30 seconds for you know what they have. It really doesn't help your watch time or their watch time if you're not going to put the time into their videos. So please, go over and check out these awesome creators and see what they have to share with you. And you're going to learn a lot from each one of these awesome channels. They're all a little different. They all do different things. I can't watch the same thing or I would get bored. I have a very wide selection of friends, and that also helps you grow your channel. Here's Penny at Penny's Place. Go over there and check her out. She's an awesome channel. I know you're going to love her. Penny is just full of inspiration, decluttering this closet, and she's doing a great job of it in a very timely manner. Is this something I need, I want, or am I going to use? Not, get rid of it, and she'll help you do it. And of course, she is so good at doing everything. She joined in with this challenge at Annette's Place, and she's doing a vignette today. And she's going to show you from the beginning to the end how she put this vignette together, full of inspiration. And that's how you learn how to put your vignettes better together, by watching other creators and how they went about it, how to mix colors, how to do this, how to do that. You learn by doing and watching. But make sure you make some great friends along the way. Also, to help build a channel, make sure you find some great friends. Now, both of these awesome creators here, Annette and Glamour Ellen, oh my gosh, they are both such great channels, do great work, and do great channels. It will really help you grow your channel bigger and stronger and better. So, remember, find some great channels, find some great friends, and start joining in and growing your channel. And these are awesome creators if you're into home decor. I'm giving you a lot of different channels that do different things on them, and I watch them all. I don't always join in everything everyone does, but I do love them and I do watch them and I do support them. I always leave comments for they know I was there. Here's another one of my awesome friends. Been watching her for quite some time, and she does lots of different content on her channel too. Like I said, I get bored easy, and I watch a lot of different channels. Well, I put the time in to watch their videos. They put the time in to make them. And she's not a big channel yet, but she does a very nice job. Does a lot of videos with her husband, and she does a lot of videos by herself, decorating, cleaning, shopping hauls. She just went to Dollar Tree and had a great time shopping and taking us with her. You'll always find something different on her channel. You won't get bored with her. And as you can see by these pictures, she always has a big, beautiful smile and sweet and kind to everyone. And she is a great follower. And if you want someone that's going to follow you back and give you lots of love and support, but you have to give the love and support also. So don't go and click on and join someone's channel if you're not willing to watch their videos. When you click onto a video, make sure you give them some watch time. Watch that video, let them know you watched it, and leave them comments knowing that will let them know you really were here and not for 10 seconds. Here's a Valentine's shop with me at Walmart, and all kinds of different things she does. You're going to have a happy time in her channel. And like I said, she does invite her husband over too. So you'll get to meet the family, and they're all sweet and kind like her. She gives great information on grocery hauls, gift ideas, and different stores to shop at and where the bargains are at. And she's going to be sharing her family with you from time to time also. I know you're going to enjoy her channel. Go over and give her some love. And she puts up quite a bit of content, as you can see. So I know you're going to love her. Go give some love.